Hi, welcome to Pixel Manager video tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to import multiple students' data. Now in the menu, click Students, then click Import Students. Now there are two steps to importing students' data. First, you download an Excel template that will be used to prepare the students' data. Now to do this, click Download Template here, and then Save. So I'll open the Excel file. And this is what the Excel template looks like. We have the admission ID column, the last name, the first name, the other name, the class ID, date of birth, the sex, the blood group, and so on. Now please note that in the class ID column here, what is required is the class ID of the class, not the class name. Now, to get the class ID, what you're going to do is you come down to this section here and then click Classes. Now this will take you to the class section here. And as you can see, the preschool has a class ID of 28. The nursery has a class ID of 29. The transition has a class ID of 30. If you go to the primary section, grade 1 has a class ID of 31. Grade 2 has a class ID of 32. Grade 3, 33, and so on. So please note that this is what is required here. This number here is what is required in the class ID column on the Excel spreadsheet. Now, once you're done populating the Excel file with the student's data, you select it by clicking the Choose File button here. Then select the Excel file. Then you import. Now, this will take you to step 2, where you get to perform a field validation check. Now, please note that if there's any field here marked with an X, it points out to one or more rows or columns having incorrect or incomplete data. Now, to check which rows have incomplete or incorrect data, you scroll down to this section here, and you can see this is a preview of the list of students that you have in your Excel spreadsheet. Now, as you can see here in the class ID column, this here is incorrect. Now, to correct this, what I'm going to do is click on the action button of the corresponding student's name, and then edit student. Now, since the error is from the class ID, I'll go to the current class section here and then select the class. Once you're done with this, click Update and continue. Success message appears here, and you can see there are no columns marked with an X here, which means we are good to go. So the next step now is to click the Complete Import button. Then, yes, continue. And then a success message appears indicating that you've successfully completed the student's import. Thanks for joining us today.